everyone, we are here at a Chevron / Holiday gas station in West Jordan, and we're going to go through their car wash. It looks like it's working, finally. Sorry, we've been going to like
3 or 4 today, nothing's open.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna pause to when we're pulling in, so I'll see you guys in just a second.
Being processed.
It's not safe to get out. I don't want you to.
Thank you. Please
Listen to
move
that.
forward.
It is.
Do not get out.
I'm not getting out yet.
It's awfully dark in here.
You guys are doing bad.
Okay.
Okay, so what did you think?
It was okay. I noticed there was a lot of junk on the car still when we went through the rinse, and the rinse kind of stopped partway through and then started up again. But beyond that, it seemed like it was without a hitch. What do you think?
I'd say probably 6 out of 10.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a decent wash. So yeah, that is the Holiday / Chevron in West Jordan.
It's at the corner of 2700 West and 7800 South.
Yeah. So yeah, that's that. I would say this wash is pretty good in a pinch, but if you're looking for a real good wash, I would recommend going down the street to Suds and Soda.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's that. Thank you guys for watching, and happy washing.